Hey, this is Quinn with Williams Plumbing, and today we're going to talk about how to clean your shower head. So if you're on a well or have hard water, oftentimes you can get a ton of scale buildup. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the shower head. If this is on there pretty tight, you're going to have to grab some channel locks and a protective cloth. Put the cloth over the base of the shower head and use your channel locks to loosen the shower head. Oftentimes you might have to provide a backup on the shower arm so it doesn't unthread from the drop L in the wall. Once you get it unstuck, you can remove the rest of the way. Clean the shower head with a scrubber sponge or a toothbrush. Oftentimes you're going to want to be careful, depending on your shower head finish, not to scratch it if you have oil rub bronze or any type of metal. Soak the shower head in white vinegar. Another option for this step too is to grab CLR from the local hardware store if you have some serial scale buildup, and that's a little bit more aggressive, so you can repeat this step as necessary. Remove the gunk from the shower arm and get it prepared for reinstallation. Apply Teflon tape. You're going to want to apply it just enough so the shower head hides this tape. I don't like to, once it's threaded on, to have any tape exposed, so sometimes I use pipe dope in this step instead of tape, but it's up to you. Obviously this isn't under constant pressure, so it's not crucial. This just prevents leaking and spraying when the shower's on. Make sure all the water is routed through the shower head. So screw it on. And then we're going to get out our channel locks and protective cloth again to finish the tightening. Once it's on, run with hot water to flush out the CLR or vinegar and any other debris that may have been built up, and you are ready to go. Thanks for watching.